Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images and text to a banner on Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. On your dashboard, click on Edit Site, then click on Edit again. This will open your website editor where you'll see your live site and start making changes. To create a banner, scroll to the top and click on Add Section below the header. Choose the blank section. This blank section will act as your banner. It gives you full control over the layout. Then, hover over the section and click on Edit Section right here. Go to Background, then click on the plus sign. From here, you can upload an image from your computer, select one from your library, or you can use the Squarespace stock image or stock background. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and choose from the stock images. Again, we can either choose a stock image or a stock background. Let's say I want this one to be my banner. Click on Add Image, then wait for it to load. Once it's done, your banner image will appear in the section. Now click outside this box, then click on Add Block. Choose the text block. So type in the text that you want for your banner. For example, so after adding the text, you can now change the text color, adjust its font size by clicking Scale Text, then resize the box if you want to have it large or small, and reposition it so it looks good on top of the image. This is where you can add headlines, announcements, or promotional messages. If your header text isn't very visible, by the way, if your header text isn't very visible, just click on Edit Site Header. Then go to Edit Design. Open Colors, and you can choose from Solid, Gradient, or Adaptive. Adaptive is it will automatically edit based on your color theme. Let's change it to Solid. Change the color. There we go. Additionally, if you go to Themes, you can switch the color themes of your text. Click on the pencil button. In here, you can manually adjust the colors of the text to make sure everything looks clean and readable over your banner image. Close it. And there we go. Once you're happy with how your banner looks, don't forget to click Save. And your banner with images and text is now live on your Squarespace website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.